Hello everyone, this is Arvind Gamali. Today we are exploring binary numbers, which is how computers use ones and zeros to store and process information. This lesson is for Year 7 technology students and is part of our unit on binary numbers. The content for this lesson is adapted from the Digital Technologies Hub 2024, ensuring it aligns with current curriculum standards. Our learning intention for today is for students to understand how numbers are represented in binary form and how this system is used in digital technology. The success criteria include being able to convert decimal numbers to binary and explain why binary is used in computers. This lesson aligns with the Australian curriculum as outlined by ACARA in 2024, ensuring that the activities meet the required outcomes for Year 7 students. Before we start, students are expected to know decimal numbers and place value. For our diverse learners, I will provide support tailored to their needs. Our EALD student will have access to visual glossaries and peer support, which research by Brown in 2020 shows helps English learners across access content effectively. Our autistic student will benefit from step-by-step instructions and visual cues, which, as Brown also explains, enhances focus and engagement for students on the spectrum. To make the connection clearer, I will remind students that in decimals, each column represents powers of 10, whereas in binary, each column represents power of 2. In binary, only two digits are used, 0 and 1. These can be thought like a switch. 0 is off, 1 is on. Computers rely on millions of these switches to process data, making this a powerful way to show students how digital systems actually work. This lesson also addresses two key Australian professional standards for teachers. APST2 focuses on planning and implementing effective teaching and learning, and APST4 is about creating and maintaining a safe and supportive learning environment. Following these standards, as recommended by HL in 2023, ensures that all students feel engaged and safe to participate in the lesson. For teaching strategies, I'll use the gradual release model, which is often summarized as I do, we do, you do. First, I'll demonstrate the process of converting decimal numbers to binary with the whole class. Then we'll work together on some examples. And finally, students will practice independently. Smith and Jones in 2021 highlight that this model scaffolds learning effectively, helping students build confidence and independence in new skills. For engagement, I might start by showing how the decimal number 6 is written in binary using a number line and place value chart, so students can see how binary builds from powers of 2 as 110. Then with the class we might try converting 9 together before students attempt numbers like 12 or 15 on their own. This gradual approach ensures students don't feel overwhelmed and can build confidence step by step. I will also include real world examples such as how images or text on a computer are stored in binary. So students see the connection between the abstract numbers and technology they use every day. Differentiation is essential in this lesson. EALD students will have additional visuals and peer support to access the content following Brown's recommendations from 2020. Autistic students will have step-by-step guidance, visual supports, and structured tasks to reduce anxiety and improve focus. By adapting instruction for these students, we ensure that all learners are included and can achieve the learning goals. Formative assessment will be ongoing throughout the lesson. I'll check understanding with questioning, provide verbal feedback, and use exit tickets at the end of the lesson. Smith and Jones in 2021 explained that formative assessment helps measure student progress in real time and guides future instructions. Exit tickets will ask students to convert a decimal number to binary and explain their reasoning. To make this more engaging, I'll use mini whiteboards during practice activities so students can quickly share answers and get immediate feedback. For students needing extra support, I'll provide scaffolded examples to build confidence. For students ready to extend their learning, I'll challenge them to explore how larger numbers or letters in text can be represented in binary. This ensures assessment also serves as an opportunity for enrichment and differentiation. The references for these lessons are displayed here, including Akara 2024, Edsel 2023, Brown 2020, Smith and Jones 2021, and Digital Technologies Hub 2024. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you so much.